Tripti and today I'm going to be showing you my Milton medical box. Well, this little fellow has helped me a lot with all of my accidental cuts and bruises while being very compact and easy to store. So let's start from the top, which is the lid. The lid is completely see-through, which gives me a clear idea about the contents of the box at a quick glance. The lid also has a sturdy foldable handle which allows me to carry the box using just one hand. This medical box comes with a really convenient partition tray which allows me to segregate my medicine as per as their needs. The box itself is a very sturdy and has strong hinges and a strong body which allows me to store it anywhere I want. The best part is that it's so small and compact that it fits anywhere. And that is it for the super accessible Milton medical box that will assist you in case of any emergency.